Hi, my name is Mark Webster, and I'm the proud principal of the best middle school in Hardin County, Bluegrass Middle School, and we are excited to welcome our families here for our open house event. That's bringing our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade families together. We talked a lot about what it means to be a Bulldog and what it means to be a part of our community. They're here getting schedules, they're meeting teachers, they're filling out paperwork, they're making sure that everything is set and ready to go as we start the school year. We're excited to continue our upward trajectory and continue to make gains and make history, because that's what we do here at Bluegrass Middle School. Bulldogs make history.
I'm Ashley Fry, one of the counselors here at Bluegrass Middle School. Tonight we're hosting our open house for all of our families and students to come in, meet their teachers. My role is to just make sure kids get their schedules, everything's correct, and making sure kids are getting connected with different clubs and activities that we have to offer here.
I'm Margie Finley. I'm the Library Media Specialist and Technology Coordinator here at Bluegrass Middle School. Tonight we had our open house and we did something a little different. We always have students get their schedules, to go and check out clubs and some of those things. We also set up some devices so that parents could complete some things that are required before the school year starts. But the new thing we did is we tried handing out Chromebooks to our returning students. So for our students at Bluegrass, we require at least one parent to complete a digital citizenship training about safety on Chromebooks and those type of things. And so this year we did not require returning students to have that done, just new students. So our returning students were coming in getting their Chromebooks, so they'll be ready to go when school starts. We had a lot of parents come through here and some really great conversations, and we're looking forward to the new school year.
Hello, my name is Vasco Perry. I'm the 8th grade English language arts teacher here at Bluegrass Middle School. Today we're having open house here at Bluegrass, and it has been going great. I've really enjoyed getting to meet the parent and my future students here for this upcoming school year. Some of the things we discuss here at Bluegrass for every student is for them to be involved in everything. So in my class for English language arts, that involved them with reading and writing, as well as I coach. So with me being a coach, I look forward to trying to get kids involved in extracurricular activity. This year, I'm looking for a fantastic year. I think we have some excellent students that's gonna continue the motto of being the best middle school in Hardin County.
I'm Stephanie Biggs. I teach 8th grade science at Bluegrass Middle School. Tonight is our 6th and 7th grade open house. So students and parents are coming in, they're getting their schedules, they're getting the chance to tour the building and to find their classes and to meet their teachers. My favorite part of open house in the beginning of the year is learning all of the new faces and the names and figuring out who those students are going to be throughout my class period, throughout the year. As an 8th grade teacher, the thing I look forward to the most is helping them prepare for high school. So whether it's in the high school science classroom or whether it's just taking them on the tours and going through the process of helping them schedule their high school classes, that's what I enjoy the most.
Hello, my name is Christian Winkler and I am a teacher here at Bluegrass Middle School. This is my 3rd year teaching here and I am so pumped about this year and serving the families of Hardin County. One of my favorite parts of teaching here is the fact that we get to see students grow from 6th grade to 8th grade in I-Ready and in state testing. It is just such a rewarding experience to see that growth.